Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to manage field settings in Copper CRM. Alright, so first up, go to the top left, click on your profile. Now click on either Customize Copper or Workspace Settings. Okay, Customize Copper right here, you'll be redirected to the Customize section. If you click on Workspace Settings, you'll be landed to the Workspace Settings dashboard. Now you go ahead and go to this panel and just click on Customize. Okay. Now click on Manage Fields on Record and you'll be landed to this exact page. Now in here, first up, you're going to want to, of course, select the record type that you wanted to edit. Okay. We have people, companies, pipeline records. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and use pipeline records for this example. And the pipeline would be this pipeline. Okay. And if you want to create a field, okay, you can click on Create Field in here and you'll have a drop down where you go ahead and select the field type. Okay, it can be a form of a URL, text field, text area, percentage, and some other options. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and select drop down. Okay, add in a label, maybe a country. Okay, option 1, we have maybe US, then add an option UK, AU, EU. Just for example, okay, you can go ahead and sort this one from A to Z, like so. If you have a workflow automation formula key, you can go ahead and add that in here. And again, select the pipeline. Okay, once that, hit on save, wait for it. And after that, you just scroll down and you'll be able to find it. Now, if you want to edit your created fields, as you can see here, I have 3: sample, sample chat box, country. Just got to go to the top right, click on Edit Custom Fields. Okay. You have the pencil button in here. Now I'm going to go back in here. If you want to, you can go ahead and change the record creation rules and record edit rules. Now for creation, for example, country right here, you can go ahead and click on this drop down. You can go ahead and make it required or read only or even none. Okay. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and make it required like so. Also for edit rules, you can go ahead and select read only or none. Okay, and once that's done, actually, you're good to go. That's just basically how you manage field settings here in Copper CRM. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.